Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about Kent v. United States and how that helped to establish juvenile due process rights. Hey guys, what's going on? Now, today in Kent v. United States, this is an extremely important case when it comes to juvenile rights. What we had here was Morris Kent, a 16-year-old man who had been in the system, been in trouble, actually committed some burglaries already, and now here it is. We have a new incident that's come around, a burglary, theft, and assault associated with this crime. Law enforcement would come to the scene, collect evidence, and wind up finding fingerprints. Now, those prints would be linked to Morris Kent. Now, when law enforcement went out and they found Mr. Kent, brought him in and interviewed him, what happened? Well, he wound up confessing to the case. Now, you would probably sit there and think, well, this sounds like a pretty open, shut case, right? You know, we have physical evidence at the scene. We have a confession. However, the issue doesn't lie with law enforcement's investigation or how he was arrested or anything like that. The issue lies in the court and how the court actually handled the case. Because here we had a juvenile court where that case was originally presented, and the judge waived that case without a hearing to an adult court where Morris would wind up being found guilty. Now, his attorney argued that, a hearing must take place, that those procedural safeguards must be adhered to, and he or she must be able to examine the evidence. Any attorney dealing with juvenile rights must be able to examine all the evidence against their client. However, the circuit court would actually affirm, meaning that they agreed with the lower court's ruling. Now, Morris and his attorney would appeal this to the U.S. Supreme Court. While it was at the Supreme Court, they would actually side with Morris, stating that those procedural safeguards are in place to ensure that juveniles are being protected and that their cases are not just being waived to adult court without being examined extremely well. Also, this case helped to really kind of solidify that procedure in which cases are actually moved from juvenile court to adult court. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this explanation and kind of a little background about the case itself.